Let me start with a real example. During a toolbox talk, an operator raised his hand and challenged the lockout procedure. He thought something didn't make sense. Instead of brushing him off, the safety manager said, "Show us." They walked through the process together and they found a gap in the lockout sequence that had been there for years. No one had noticed it. No one had questioned it. They fixed it the same week. That's what a healthy safety culture looks like. Everyone talks about red flags, missing PPE, shortcuts, bad housekeeping, but today I want to talk about green flags, the signs that tell you a company is doing this right. Leaders don't just show up for audits. They're on the floor every day. They know people by name. They ask real questions. They listen. If leadership only appears when something goes wrong, trust never builds. Presence matters. In strong cultures, near miss reports aren't punished. They're appreciated. People speak up because they know something will happen with the information, not just paperwork. Real improvement. Bad safety meetings are lectures. Good ones are discussions. People share ideas. They challenge procedures. They offer solutions. That's where real knowledge lives, on the floor. Training isn't once a year. It's ongoing. Toolbox talks that matter, hands-on practice, skills refreshers, not just slides and signatures. In good shops, PPE is easy to find. It fits. It works. Equipment gets replaced before it fails. Safety isn't optional because supplies ran out. Safety doesn't live in one department. Operations, maintenance, engineering, safety, they work together. Problems get solved as a team, not passed around. Strong organizations don't just track injuries, they track near misses, unsafe conditions, training gaps, equipment failures. They focus on leading indicators. Prevention, not reaction. Here's the key. These are slogans, they're behaviors, they show up every day, and when they're in place, accidents drop. Quality improves, morale improves, turnover drops, everything gets better. No company has all seven. Not perfectly. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection. It's progress. Start with one. Pick one green flag. Build it. Protect it. Then add another. That's how culture changes. Not overnight, with consistency. Strong safety cultures aren't built on rules. They're built on trust, systems, and leadership. Work smart. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.